Well, hello, how are you? I am so excited today. Today, I get to take these pin curls out of my hair. Yes, I am going to transform these pin curls into soft, bouncing, and behaving soft curls. So let's get started on that. But first, I want to encourage you to become a subscriber and also click that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a brand new video. Now let's get started on transforming these pin curls into beautiful curls. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to start taking these pin curls out. My mom had given me a bag of her gray bobby pins because I did not have any, and this is just really an experiment to see how these pin curls. I've always been curious on how the pin curls work and with Sisterlocks, right? And so my aunt used to, years ago when I was a little girl, and I used to spend the night over to my cousin's house, right? And their mom, which was my aunt, had beautiful long hair, right? And she used to pin curl it. And every night when after she would work her shift, she was a nursing attendant. And every night she would come home and pin curl her beautiful hair. And I'm telling you, her hair was so neat. She used to put those pin curls in there so neat, used to wind her hair up, and she would put two pin curls. She would go this way and then to put another one that way, right? Well, I just put one, so hopefully it turns out. So what I'm going to do is start taking these pin curls out, and we're going to see how, oh, look at that. They curl. Wow, look at that. That's the first curl, right? And so we're going to see exactly how these pin curls turned out on Sisterlocks. Because, you know, a lot of times we are tender-headed. We don't like sleeping with a lot of rollers in our hair, right? And so if this is an alternative to having rollers in our hair, right? I mean, I'm telling you, they were soft. I mean, they didn't give me any problems. It didn't hurt my head. And look at that. Look at all those curls that I pinned up in there. It was easy to even roll my hair and pin it, right? So we're going to see exactly how it come and how it turns out, and we're going to do a transformation. So pin curls can be an awesome alternative to, you know, wearing rollers and those bone rods in our heads, right? And so far, I like what I see, right? I like what I see so far. So let's finish up and see what happens. I first put these pin curls in on Sunday, and today is Wednesday. So my hair is feeling just a little dry, and because they've been, you know, pent up for so long, and I've just really been having them tied up and wearing hats and everything while I'm going on my walks, right? And so I am going to bring some hydration to my hair by using my luxurious argan hair oil, right? So this is what you're going to see, how I'm going to use this in my hair, and it's going to just look fabulous. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, that when your hair feels a little dry, all you need to do is put a little hair oil in your scalp. Sometime if you want, it depends on the style that you want to rock. You just spray your hair with your hairspray, your moisturizing spray, put a little oil on, and you're good to go, right? And so because I don't want to lose my curls, I am just going to put a little bit of hair oil in my hair, and I should be good. How are they looking, guys? How are they looking so far? right? Can you see yourself pin curling your hair? You know, instead of using rollers or those bone rods. I think that this is going to be the antidote to curling my hair, because actually curls is my favorite. I love my hair curly, but my lazy style is just braiding it. So what I do, like what I did on Sunday, Sundays is my day for you know, doing my steaming treatment and having my me time. I think I got them all out. And so that is my day. I think I got them out, guys. Let's see. Did I miss one? I think I got them all out. And it's nice and curly. It feels like it's nice and curly. It looks like it's nice and curly. All right. So like I said, my hair feels just a little dry. And I'm just going to put a little bit of my argan hair oil in my scalp, right, on my hair, really on my hair, and it will trickle down to my scalp. Just kind of rub it a little bit. It smells so good. And the oil will trickle down into your scalp. And you just want to just kind of rub the oil on top of your hair, and it makes it shine, right? Makes it shine again. Take some of that, and then you just massage your scalp, and that kind of kicks up some of your sebum, your own natural sebum. And oh, that just feels good anyway. That just feels, but you see, look at that. Look how lively my hair looks now. Oh my gosh. So you see that oil? It just kind of brings life back to your hair without it being greasy, right? So I will come back to you all dolled up and let you see the final result of this pin curls on Sisterlocks. Well, what do you think? I think it came out wonderful. For pin curls, oh yes, that means that I don't have to have any pain to have my curls in my head, which is actually my favorite hairstyle. I like curls, right? And so look how they came out. Look how soft the curls are. And it's mostly the ends that are curl. You know, it could be because I really just concentrated on the ends to curl. And but look how they look. The curls are wonderful, right? I think they turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have ever pin curled your Sisterlocks. Let me know that. And then let me know what type of curls do you use regular. And if not, will you start pin curling your hair? It's really, really simple to do. They're very comfortable. And while your hair is damp, you can go ahead and, you know, just start pin curling your hair. Let's see, all you do, and I did not record myself pin curling my hair. It was something I kind of did on the fly, right? So all you need is a bobby pin, right? These are gray bobby pins, but there are black ones available as well. And you just take a section of your hair, right? And then you just put your moisturizer on it, your spray, and then you just kind of wind the bottom of, you know, wind your hair up with your finger like you're curling it. And then you just take it off your finger and continue to roll it, and roll it, and then pin it down. Take your bobby pin and you just kind of pin it down just like that, right? And you will have some beautiful bouncing curls. And so I think that they came out good, but you tell me what you think down in the comment section. Listen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that every time I release another video, you will be notified if you hit that bell, that notification bell. I just want to let you know that I appreciate you watching my videos, and let me know if there's any type of videos that you want me to cover. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section. And I will see you on the next go round. Peace.